I'm Dr. Jim Hankinson with Back to Wellness Chiropractic, located in Kirkwood, Missouri. I have my son Cameron with us today. He's a swimmer. He's swum several hours a week. He has strained muscles in his low back, mid back, and neck, and sometimes up in his chest. So he gets adjusted 1 to 2 times a week. So we're just going to show you what we do to him today. Lay on your back, face up. All right, so usually I stretch his low back and hips out. I've already done that with him today, so I'm just going to proceed into the adjustment. First thing I'm going to do, cross his arms over his chest. He's going to laugh. Deep breath. Good. One more time. Good. Now we can get your neck here. I've been adjusting Cameron since he was born, just minutes after delivery. And we've adjusted him every week since then. Laying your side towards me. He's very healthy, very rarely gets sick from the chiropractic adjustments. They do the body good. Let your hip roll. Do one more time. Good. All right, turn on this side, turn this way. Good. We'll sit you up, swing your legs out this way. Not this way. All right. How do you feel after the adjustment?
Good.
All right, very good. If you like the content, please share it with your friends. If you have a child that you're not sure if chiropractic can help, it really does wonders for the body. Our website is stlbackdoc.com. Our phone number is 314-394-2093. Thank you very much.